real decent fish. Big brook trout. Holy crap, that's a good fish. Look at that fish. Look at that baby. What's going on today, guys? Hope y'all are doing great. Today I'm back on the little creek where we were at last time, just a little bit further upriver. We're gonna see if we can get into some trout. Come on, let's go. There's a fish. Bow! Nice bow. 12-incher. Alright, moving upriver to see what's up there. Whoops. Tip of the day, folks. Don't let your rod tip touch the water. It spooks fish. Come here. There's a bigger fish in there. I think it spooked. Nice, about 13-incher. There he goes. There we go. Last fish of the day. That's a pretty decent fish right there. a real decent fish. Not as big as that one. Big brook trout. Oh yeah. Oh, piggy. Hello, piggy. Holy crap, that's a good fish. In the mouth this time. In the mouth this time. Heck yeah. It's a good fish. That fly just popped right out. Oh man, that is such a good fish. All right, so in the net, weighs 3.2. Let's get this thing released. Oh man. That's a 16-incher all day. Cool. There we go, still zeroed. £1 3 ounce. It's 1.9 pounds. It's not bad. It's not a bad fish at all. Man. Still not nearly as big as that. That one wasn't quite as big as the one that we caught down the river. This river has some big brook trout in it. All right, I gotta get back to the truck. Gotta get home. I'll see you guys there. Holy crap, guys. What a high note to end on. 2-pound brook trout. That feels amazing. That's not the first fish I've caught like that. And it's not even the first fish I've caught like that out of this creek. I've caught, well, you guys saw the last one. I foul hooked it, so it really doesn't count. So 2 that size and bigger. The last one I caught was pushing 4 pounds. I mean, it was about 16 inches long, but that thing was so fat, and I didn't have my cameras with me that day. I apologize for that, but that was such a cool fish. I'll put a picture of it up here right now, but that's nothing discounting the fish that we just caught. That was insane. I mean, saw it down there, saw the one bigger than it, but getting to stick that fish, bring it in, the fight was great. Pulled a little bit of drag actually, and that click and pawl reel, it doesn't pull drag very easily, so That was awesome. Well, thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. If you did, hit that like button down there. Hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to be updated whenever we put up a new video. And I will see you guys next time out on the water and in the woods, y'all. Peace.